Hello everybody, this is a trade from Petra, who lives in London, UK. It's a trade taken yesterday, Thursday, and it's on the 1 minute chart Dow Jones. So we've got the 1 minute, the 4 chart layout, 5 minute, 15 minute and 60 minute. So this is a half mast pennant, so to say. This is a momentum move. This is a multi-bar sideways consolidation. In order to time, well, when is this sideways consolidation to end? What is really important here with the future systems is when we're waiting for a test bar. Now this test bar, it's a big scary red bar for going long. It basically shakes out the weak bullish hands, and it lures in the confident counter trend trader. So that's a double trap. This is the entry, this is the stop. The nice thing about this is, well, in this part of the rules, that we need a test of the 21 moving average, that support, and the stop goes beyond the 21, nicely protected, and 2 time frames higher. Well, we've got a nice trend. And in addition to that, and that's a bonus here, 3 time frames higher in the high frame. Well, these levels, that's what we call a stop run level, and we can expect or hope for a stop run move, which is a big green 60-minute bar. Now, if that happens, well, that's a super low risk entry right into this trade idea. So let's see how that develops. So we've got nice follow through, breaking the consolidation high. So at that point of time, Petra already had achieved a weekly goal. Well, this is actually another pattern. That's a system 2 pattern. Again, here we see a nice touch test of the 21. So price bounces off, and this is how this move ended. So we've got a nice move, nice momentum. Well, where does it come from? Well, we see it now. Well, that's the stop run move, right? A big green bar, and it can be capitalized on 3 time frames lower, right, on the 1 minute with a multi-bar pattern. This is system 1, this is system 2, and Petra achieved her weekly R goal with 1 trade only once price achieved this price level. So very well done.